Hi guys, good afternoon guys. Let's eat pansit guys. I'm eating pansit. My pansit is cooked na already. Yum, yum. Pansit. Yum, pansit. Let's eat guys. Pansit naman. With pandesal guys. Let's eat pansit. Ay, nalo ko may kay ano. Yung hinalo ko kaya. Let's eat guys. Lagyan natin ng ano guys. Gusto ko lagyan ng para masarap siya. May mga lisa. Mahulog ang lisa. Let's eat guys. Pansit guys. Siya. Init guys. Thank you to my niece guy from Georgia. This is banana leaves guys. Look at this. This is $13. So very expensive. Frozen banana. Let's eat suman guys. Or good with hot chocolate. Yummy. Hi guys, good morning and welcome to our garden guys. Tour ko kayo sa garden guys. July 16 ngayon. Look at this guys. They grow here. I'm not planting this guys. I think maybe next time we need to plant right here over there. Because a big tree over here. Never plant that, never give water, but grow very nice. That is marigold. Yeah. Right here. We plant our hollyhock over here, guys. I don't know if this survive. That's hollyhock. We try to plant a sweet potato here. Snapdragon man siya. Still survive. Look at that. Baho-baho. Baho-baho na, guys. We cut this, always cutting this, but still grow. And right here, guys, our Zinnia. Zinnia right here. Some is gooded na to eh. Maybe next month the flower is dead na already before we back to the Philippines. And that's it. And this one, guys, never plant this but grow in the pot, so we stay in the pot. I don't know what is this. Is this avocado? Parang avocado siya, guys. I'm not sure. Ang amoy niya parang avocado. And have over here. The two over here too. They grow in the pot. Maybe the bird put the seed over there, so that's why they grow. And over here, our Zinnia again right here. Update guys. And that over there, marigold right there. That big tree I'm not planting also that and grow. The side right here. Going to the porch. And right here in the front. And look at that. This side. I don't know the name of the flower. This one, look at the, so very tall. Huh? Very tall. Ang sweet potato. And marigold over here. And over here is the that are taro. I don't know what is this. Look like fruit. And look at that guy. Oh, my spinach. Makagulay na kasi akong spinach. Ayan. And also my potato, ay sweet potato guys. Look at that. Makagulay na ko ano guys. And going right here. Oh. We put over there some. Look at that, my dragon fruits. I think taro, lemon grass. And look at the ano there. Spinach right here and potato, ay sweet potato. And very hot guys, I'm cutting the grass and I'm sweetening na already. I'm cutting the grass.